Hey guys, Dwo Dog here. So we got a situation. Looks like we're not quite done with the snow yet. February 28th, 2022. And looks like we're still going to be doing a little bit of snow blowing. So let's gas her up and get cracking. Alright, I'll set you up and can have a little look at me snow blowing.
I usually always run the 91 gas or whatever the best gas is. There's usually no ethanol in the top end gas, and it just seems to perform in the small engine equipment a lot better than just buying the cheap gas.
Not bad. We should probably put some in now. Really like these Joby little mini tripods. Very handy. Kind of regret not buying the heavy dutyest one. I think this one is the second one down from the top. It was about I don't know, 120 bucks, something like that. And the next one, the top of the line one, was 200. So, you know, when you're standing in the store and you're like, oh man, 200 bucks? Do I really need the best one? But, yeah, should have bought it. Oh well. No big deal, because when spring comes and we're not using this thing anymore, I'll start it up, drain the gas. Should be good to go for summarizing this thing. So I got this thing here, which among other things, I can suck all the excess gas out of the tank, run it till it's all dead in the float bowl, and then should be good to go. Alright, so where is the power cord for, oh there it is. Okay, so, oh, heater's heating up. Yeah, we gotta blow this stuff, man. This is brutal. Okay, let me fire it up. I filled that tire up with air. Now it's low again. Dang it. Means it's got a slow leak. Now, that sucks. Okay. get my ear protection, because once this thing fires up, it's kind of loud. Oh, wait, put my hat on. I like the blue one. Alright. And then once I get it fired up, I'll set you guys up out there or something. It's not bad. Alright, should be good to go. Should be good to go.
Snow is really wet, that's why it doesn't look like it's blowing very far, but this thing actually does blow really good, but I think it's like about 0 Celsius right now, and it's a really wet snow, so it's very heavy. Alright, let's check out the damage. Spin you around here. Doesn't do too bad a job. I know I could probably lower the snowblower drag a bit, But when I get down to the end of the driveway, it's all dirt, and it digs into the dirt, and it's throwing the little rocks too much. Also, too, because I didn't do much snow blowing at back in December and January. There's a lot of hard ice under the snow, and it just keeps getting hung up. So I just raised it up a little bit. It's a lot easier to deal with that way. It doesn't get it right down, back to the asphalt, but it's good enough.
If you're going to use this for YouTubing or documenting, you need to buy at least 2 more batteries. But anyways, we'll let the machine dry off and go back inside. All right. Found it. A little bit hard to do holding this thing at the same shitty time. Good enough. Good enough's good enough. Oh. Oh. Holy cow, it's so slippery. That ain't going anywhere for a while. Huh. The old Fusion's kind of snowed in right now. I haven't driven the thing since December. Alright, whatever. There's my parts. Some new wheels. Some other stuff. I bought this for doing the brakes. But I don't like this. I don't feel like it's quite the right stuff. So I'm going to see if I can return it. And there's for painting the calipers. So we should be good to go. Alright, let's end it here. Got an upcoming review of this Zevo interior light strip set. Yeah, I'll hook it up to this battery for a quick test. And then in the summertime, we'll put it in. I'm not doing anything outside right now. Okay, later guys. Hey, give it a like. Only takes a second. Thank you.